Welcome to the holiday-themed Aerial Yoga Flow. My name is Elaine from aerialyogagear.com. The prereqs for this is to be able to do an assisted pull-up on the ground and to feel comfortable standing in your hammock. So let's get started. Start facing your hammock with your fingertips away from you. Place one foot into the fabric and reach high overhead to come standing in your fabric. Walk out the feet gently from here to get your feet used to standing and that pressure of the hammock against the soles of the feet. Next, let's wake up the arms. Pull your belly in, engage the core, and extend one arm at a time out to the side of your body. Extend as far as you can so that you're challenging yourself, but not going too far that you feel that you might be unstable or lose your balance. And next, we're going to move into some assisted pull-ups standing in the fabric. Make sure that your feet are firmly planted. And to start off, reach high above your head. Extend your arms to lower your body slightly, keeping a tight grip on the fabric. Extend and pull yourself up. Try to keep your body as flat as a board, engaging the abs as you lean back and forth. For an added challenge, you can bring your hands closer to your shoulder level so that you're extending a little bit further, your legs will lift a little higher, and this will require more upper body strength to pull yourself back up. Move at your level, but be very careful not to fall here, as having a solid grip is really key to being able to support yourself. Next level is to do this with only one foot in the fabric. So lift one leg and extend it behind you as you extend your arms. This makes a very pretty shape. And it provides an extra challenge as you're lifting the weight of that leg as well. Make sure you do both sides if you do decide to lift a leg. And when we're finished, we're going to move into our tree pose so we can celebrate with our Christmas tree. Lift one leg out and around the side of the fabric. In this case, it's my left leg. And then lift your opposite arm while holding on with one arm out and around the fabric. So my left arm, my left elbow is in front of the fabric, and my right elbow is hooked around the fabric, and my left leg is hooked around the fabric. This is the most stable way to get into your tree pose. You can bring your hands to heart center. Try to balance yourself and enjoy the gentle sways. And now we'll move into our square pose, or you might think of this as a wrapped holiday present. I'll demonstrate how you can pull yourself up using one foot, and then how you can pull yourself up by walking your feet. So you're going to need to use your arms to get a firm grip on the fabric, to support your weight, and then walk your feet out to the side using the knife edge sides of your feet to push outwards to create the box-like shape. You can also use your arms and pull up in one swift movement like this, but you need to use your core to stabilize yourself. To get down, just relax your feet slowly, allowing them to come closer together. If you need to, you can squeeze that fabric in your armpits and roll out your wrists after gripping onto that fabric. Now let's move into our candy cane roll up. There are a few ways to do this, but I'll show you my method that's pretty easy and safe to get started with. Start with both hands on the fabric and lift one leg. In this case, it's my left leg. Next, you're going to cross your arms in front of the fabric. So listen carefully here. My right arm is wrapped around my right side of the fabric and holding onto the left side. And my left arm is in front of that left fabric, so it's closer to my body and holding onto the right side. So when I pull outwards, it's going to make an X at the bottom of my foot in front of my ankle. Now my left leg is behind me, so I'm going to reach that left leg forward and hold on to the right side of your fabric with both hands. your body is naturally going to want to swing forward in a clockwise direction. So move with that motion and roll your body around the right side of your hammock. From here, I'm extending my arms, but you do not have to extend this much. And reach up with your left leg to use the knife edge side of your foot to push away that opposite side of the fabric and push it down your ankle. That'll be the most comfortable. It might end up on your calf, which is fine. It just might be a little bit of a tighter bind. As you push that fabric down, your body will naturally roll over so that your belly will be resting on the right side of the fabric that you're holding on to. So never let go of the fabric and use the momentum of the roll to pull yourself up. Now I'll demonstrate this one more time. So I'll unroll for you here. And I'll show you how I'm lifting that left leg around the top of the fabric I'm holding, pushing down on the opposite fabric to get that wrap around my ankle. You can also balance here if you do want to let go, if you're very comfortable here, by placing the fabric across the right collarbone. But that can be dangerous, and we only suggest attempting if you're very comfortable with this pose. To unwrap, hold tightly onto that fabric in front of you. Bring your left leg out and around counterclockwise to undo that first wrap, and your body will naturally roll in a counterclockwise direction. And then we have that left leg that you put through the front of the fabric before. You're going to bring that back through the fabric again. Hold on to the right side, and your body will naturally turn back to the way you started. To get out, bring both feet to the fabric. Come down into a squatting position, keeping both hands on the fabric as you slide down, and release the legs one leg at a time into trapeze seat. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous holiday with your family and friends. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to give us a like and subscribe down below.